Alright, and what is a tool seal? Between the seams we've made by machine and the tool inlay, that difference needs to be hidden as much as possible. Look, with the hair dryer, we are positioning the last strips of the seam, the wefted hair strips. Now we'll use a comb. Well, if it's this type, it's better, one that has these picks. We take just not even 1/4 of a centimeter, as little as possible, because now we're going to have to join the two parts, the machine-made construction and the tool. You've seen the absolute minimum amount of hair. We separate it well, wet the root well, and we'll even apply a little bit of soft setting gel. Now you'll see, just a little bit. Make sure it's soft. And we're gonna place it right on the line we've made. Here. Not up here. It's a very soft setting gel, so it will only help it stay a little more set, more there, that hair in that spot where we want it, and so the seam doesn't open up on us. Alright, you see, we're running the hair dryer over it a bit. We need to make sure it dries. The comb also helps us a lot, because sometimes, well, we can hold it right where we want to set the position of the hairstyle for later. Right there, until it's completely dry. You see, we run the comb through, we can style it. It hasn't been left caked with gel or anything like that. And we will continue by lowering the next section. This one can be a little wider, okay? As you can see, we comb it, add a tiny bit of water just to break the bad shape it has. We comb it and you see it's already quite well positioned. A little bit of air. We will never touch the tool directly. And we continue. We are going to do the same thing all around the edge of the tool. We are going to keep lowering small strands, adding a little bit of gel. This gel is mainly for the first row at the first junction. After that, it's not necessary for the rest if you don't want to. Only on the first row, when we bring down the first little hairs from the junction. And there, with the comb, we hold the direction where we want to set it, using the blow dryer and the comb. Very good. We will never touch up there, only there, where the hair seam is, so the junction looks perfect. We are going to bring down the next one. As you can see, we are now continuing with thicker strands. Look. In this case, we are not going to use any water, just the blow dryer directly. So you can see that it can also be done with the blow dryer. And as you've seen, the lace was in very bad shape. It's normal. When a wig comes out of production, they often have bad shapes, and well, then it's up to us to do this work. See, we can do it without water too. So we would have the lace sealed, the most important area, which is where it usually opens up. But if we do a good sealing job, we will only see the strips underneath, which we will now take care of cutting and styling to get them in good condition so they aren't noticeable either. Look, I am going to go ahead and open this up right now so that you can really see it for yourself. Honestly, it is incredible because you truly cannot tell the difference at all between the wefted hair strips and the lace base. It just blends in so perfectly.